Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the error code 0XC0000035 that you are experiencing in event viewers on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type registry editor regedit. Opens up registry editor. Click on run as administrator guys and click yes. And you just want to go to H key local machine guys. After that, go to system folder. In here, expand it and go to current control set guys. Expand it. Current control set, you want to go to control, expand it. In control, you need to search for WMI. Just click anything here and type W in keyboard. Here comes up WMI guys. Expand it. And in WMI, you just want to go to auto loggers. Expand it. In auto loggers, you need to search for event log system. Event log security, event log system. You just want to expand the event log system. In here you need to search for B675EC. Search for B6 guys. In here B6, scroll down, B675EC37. you just want to click on here guys. Now check my video file path guys. You just need to check it, the file path. After that, on right side, you just need to double click on the enable folder in here, enable key in here, double click on it, and you just change the value data to 0. After that, click OK guys. And the same thing for enable property, double click on it and value data to 0 guys, change it to 0 and click OK. And after that, close out of here guys. Now for make changes, we just want to go ahead and restart your PC guys. The changes need to take effect. Just need to restart it. After restarting your PC, go to search menu and type CMD. Click here guys, run as administrator over here. Click on it and click yes. Now go to my video description guys. There will be a command used in this video. Copy the command. Just copy it and tap the bar, right click, edit it and paste it in guys. Press enter. This 3% need to get 100% guys. After finishing this 100%, you just want to go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.